Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the best and most effective tips to improve your English skills. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, these tips will help you to enhance your English language abilities. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Practice English every day. The first tip is to practice English every day. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Try to set aside a few minutes each day to practice speaking, writing, listening, or reading in English. Tip number 2. Learn English grammar rules. The second tip is to learn English grammar rules. Grammar is the foundation of any language, and understanding the rules will help you to communicate effectively. Start with the basics and gradually move on to more complex rules. Tip number 3. Improve your vocabulary. The third tip is to improve your vocabulary. Learning new words and phrases will help you to express yourself more effectively. Try to learn at least 10 new words every day and use them in your conversations. Tip number 4. Listen to English music and watch English movies. The fourth tip is to listen to English music and watch English movies. This will help you to improve your listening and speaking skills. Try to listen to English music and watch English movies with subtitles. Tip number 5. Practice speaking with native speakers. The fifth tip is to practice speaking with native speakers. This will help you to improve your speaking skills and get feedback on your pronunciation. Try to find a language exchange partner or tutor who can help you to practice speaking. Tip number 6. Use English language learning apps. The sixth tip is to use English language learning apps. There are many apps available that can help you to improve your English skills. Try to use apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone. Tip number 7. Read English books and articles. The seventh tip is to read English books and articles. Reading will help you to improve your reading comprehension and vocabulary. Try to read English books and articles on topics that interest you. Tip number 8. Listen to English stories and podcasts. The eighth tip is to listen to English stories and podcasts. Listening to stories and podcasts will help you to improve your listening skills and learn new vocabulary. Try to listen to English stories and podcasts on topics that interest you. Tip number 9. Practice writing in English. The ninth tip is to practice writing in English. Writing will help you to improve your writing skills and grammar. Try to write at least one paragraph every day on a topic that interests you. Tip number 10. Join a language learning community. The 10th tip is to join a language learning community. Joining a community of language learners will help you to stay motivated and get support from others who are learning English. Try to join online communities like Facebook groups or Reddit forums. Tip number 11. Use flashcards to learn new vocabulary. The 11th tip is to use flashcards to learn new vocabulary. Flashcards are a great way to learn new words and phrases. Try to make flashcards with new vocabulary words and their meanings. Tip number 12. Practice English with a language exchange partner. The 12th tip is to practice English with a language exchange partner. Practicing with a language exchange partner will help you to improve your speaking skills and get feedback on your pronunciation. Try to find a language exchange partner who can help you to practice speaking. Tip number 13. Watch English TV shows with subtitles. The 13th tip is to watch English TV shows with subtitles. Watching English TV shows with subtitles will help you to improve your listening and reading skills. Try to watch English TV shows with subtitles on topics that interest you. Tip number 14. Learn English idioms and phrases. The 14th tip is to learn English idioms and phrases. Idioms and phrases will help you to sound more natural and fluent in English. Try to learn at least 10 new idioms and phrases every day. Tip number 15. Be consistent and patient. The 15th and final tip is to be consistent and patient. Learning a language takes time and effort. Try to practice English every day and be patient with yourself. Don't get discouraged if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you will see improvement. Conclusion. It for today's video on the best and most effective tips to improve your English skills. Remember, the key to improving your English is to practice consistently and be patient with yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more English language learning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to improve your English skills, be sure to follow these tips and practice regularly. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who want to improve their English skills. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Join our community of English language learners by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell. We post new videos every week, so be sure